Alrighty, this is for Felix Trujillo on 2734 South Winona Court, Denver, Colorado, 80236. This is a sewer inspection for HomeServe. Felix is HomeServe's client. Where I am right now is at the toilet bend in the far back of the house. And I am about to go into the main sewer to see any issues. This is a transition. Looks like from 4 to 6. Some major root blockage here. Another root intrusion. This is another root intrusion. This is the 4th root intrusion. This looks like new pipe. This is as far as my camera will go. This is 100 foot of my line. As you can see down below, that there is a main sewer line. That is what is that white toilet paper down there. That is the T. Starting to look like you will need a new sewer line. And that is a complete inspection.